the Bible and the family. In Sri Lanka today, the family unit is constantly under pressure. The situation is evidenced by the high suicide rate, especially among women and youth, rising rate of divorce, high rate of single-parent families due to death of one parent in the recently ended civil conflict, families affected by foreign employment of mothers, rise in child abuse and violence against women. In this context, the Christian Church has an increasing responsibility to strengthen and empower families. The Bible Society serves to prioritize the efforts of the Church whilst providing an ecumenical platform for a united ministry. The main task of the Bible Society in this matter is to support the Church by providing scripture material addressing these various issues in a textual as well as audio-video material. At present, the main cooperation is with the Catholic Church, but we hope to work with other churches in the coming days. Production of a standard sign directory in the Sinhala language for the hearing impaired. The teaching of Christianity to students was hampered by the lack of accepted standard signs for words of the Bible. Religion is a compulsory subject to pass a GCE O-level examination, and we found that a majority of students who are hearing impaired failed in Christianity. The CBS started the initial preparation for this project in 2009 and produced over 100 new signs with the cooperation of teachers of the two schools managed by the Anglican and Catholic churches respectively. The visuals and graphic work was done jointly by CBS staff and a deaf student. The printed book was launched on the 1st of December 2013 at the Anglican Cathedral by the Bishop of Colombo, and so far we have given more than 150 free copies to deaf schools. It is our hope that the children will benefit from this effort and be motivated to read the Bible. This project was partly funded by the Bible Society of Canada in the year 2011.
Today it's a great pleasure for me to speak a few words about the sign directory which has introduced by the Ceylon Bible Society recently. I am very happy that the school, our school teachers, especially Mr. Christopher Delma, our master in charge of Christianity, and other teachers and the students also could help this noble task. At this moment, I would like to thank the General Secretary, Mrs. Lakshmini Fernando of the Ceylon Bible Society, and all other staff to thank for the noble and much needed task they have completed so well. Thank you.
මම ක්‍රිස්ටෝෆර් ඩෙල්මා රත්මලාන බිහිරි විද්‍යාලයේ අවුරුදු 30කට වැඩි කාලයක් ගුරුවරයෙක් හැටියට සේවය කරනවා. ශ්‍රී ලංකා බයිබල් සංගමයට මගේ විශේෂ ස්තුතියක් හිමි වෙනවා. මෙතෙක් කල ක්‍රිස්තියානි ධර්මයේ ඉගෙන ගැනීමට දරුවන්ට සම්මත සංඥා භාෂාවක් තිබුණේ. අක්‍රමවත් සංඥා වලින් අපි දරුවන්ට ඉගෙනුවේ. දැන් සමස්ත බිහිරි ප්‍රජාවටම විශේෂයෙන්ම පාසල් පද්ධතියේ දරුවන්ට එක භාෂාවකින් එක ආවේනික සංඥාවකින් ක්‍රිස්තියානි ආගම ඉගෙන ගැනීමට ඉගෙනීමට අපිට අවස්ථාව ලැබිලා තියෙනවා. ඒක අපිට මේ සංඥා නාමාවලිය අපිට විශේෂ අත්දැකීමක් විශේෂ උදව්වක් වෙලා තියෙනවා.
The 10,000 Bible distribution project as part of the bicentenary celebration. We completed this project at the end of 2013. The distribution was carried out among all denominational churches in all parts of the country among children and youth, emphasizing the reaching out by CBS to the youth of our nation. Some places where the distribution was done are Nugegoda, Moratuwa, Nigambu, Tangol, Vatiklo, Kurunegala and Jaffna. The CBS Tree Planting Project. Recognizing the need for local fundraising, the CBS has established a long-term fundraising program which also underlines the importance of protecting the environment. We hope to teach the youth to care for and nurture God's creation. Sri Lanka is blessed with a climate suitable to grow hardwood trees which produce very expensive timber, namely teak, mahogany and satin wood. We have entered into MOUs with the Catholic, Anglican and Baptist churches and the Salvation Army to plant these trees on church land. We have negotiated with the State Ministry for Environment and Renewable Energy and the Department of Forest Reservations to obtain free plants. Under the agreement, CBS gives one tree for the church for every tree planted for the CBS. And when the trees are cut and the timber sold, the CBS will be entitled to 50% of the proceeds. It takes 15 to 20 years for the trees to reach maturity, and therefore the project is done with the cooperation of church youth movements. Each youth is adopting a tree. We have produced a special logo for this project. The project has also received the fullest cooperation from state as well as church leaders. It is our gift for the future. When the CBS celebrates the 225th anniversary, there will be a good amount collected for it. The approximate profit calculated at today's prices is rupees 11 million, but with the increase in prices, it may be much more.